This is a 20-watt engraving laser machine. It has a problem insufficient power for engraving. So we can check how to repair this machine. The laser machine made up of several units. So we can check all of them and how to work that one. There is a computer unit for the laser machine and the laser production unit and the mechanical focusing unit on here, also the laser controlling galvanic scanner on the top side of the machine and the total power supply unit based on inside on the here. So let us start to replace laser tube and laser production unit. So now we can remove the power connections for the laser production unit. One connection for here and another connection on the power supply section. So these two connections we need to remove from the machine. So this was the laser tube and laser production unit. On this machine, we need to replace these two items. On long-term usage, we need to replace laser production units when the laser machine has low power output. So we get the package. It has contained laser tube and laser production unit. So we can install this on our laser machine. So now our laser machine was ready to test. Before we testing the machine, we need to proper tag on the all wires like hanging like this one. If you are not properly tag the wires, there is a chance to shortage or cut the wires due to contact with the fan or the metal parts of the body. So before testing all the wires, we need to tag properly. So we can test our machine with the engraving one device. Let us check the machine. Now you can see that one. Our machine work properly. If you want to buy new machine or you need to repair your machine, just contact with us.